I want to tell you something about this nation, United Kingdom. I want to tell you something about it. Do you remember my video I did last year that United Kingdom, they are one of the group that sponsor Boko Haram and French herdsmen in Nigeria? Do you see what is happening in Sudan right now? Russia and America. The other group, they're sponsored by America. The other group sponsored by Russia. Do you know that this Boko Haram and French herdsmen in Nigeria, the hand of United Kingdom are there? Now, do you understand what is happening in this nation? After they do the presidential election in Nigeria, and everybody in the world knows that this election was rigged. Immediately, do you know Tinubu and his vice, Muslim, and these people is the group of the people that will back in Boko Haram and French herdsmen in Nigeria for them to fulfill their mission in Nigeria to examine this nation. And immediately, United Kingdom, the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, sent congratulations message to Tinubu. He's the first person that did it, and he knew that the election was rigged, but he did it because of the agenda. And the same United Kingdom are the nation that one of the countries that blocks Christianity in Nigeria. I tell you that these people, United Kingdom, they are a disgrace to Christianity. America is a disgrace to Christianity. France, they are a disgrace. Do you see what is happening in Africa right now? Africans love Russia more than America, more than Britain that colonized them, more than France. Russia is not a Christian nation. But majority of Africa, 99% of Africans love to work with Russia more than United Kingdom that call themselves a Christian country, more than America that call themselves a Christian country, more than France. Do you see that these people they are a disgrace to Christianity? Do you see that these people, they are a disgrace to Christianity? They are like false prophets. Born to rule and born to serve. That is going on in Nigeria. That Igbos are born to serve. Who do you think that caused it? It caused by United Kingdom. They are the people that caused it. Carry power, give to the people that sponsor Boko Haram and French herdsmen in Nigeria. So that Igbos are born to serve. The people that caused it,